Hi there. In this video we are going to show you how to run a web server on your Mac. If you haven't installed Node.js on your computer yet, click the link below. I suggest you download the recommended version. Wait for it to download, and open the package. The installation is pretty straightforward, just click continue until it's installed. When the installation is finished, go to Search, and open the terminal. There is a great module for Node.js, called HTTP Server. We are going to use this module to run a web server straight from our computer. To install this module we will use the Node Package Manager, or in short npm. Because we need administrator rights we start with the sudo command, then we write npm install http-server. And we use the -g command, which means global. This way we can use the web server in any folder on our computer. Press enter, input your computer account password and press enter again. When the installation is finished, we have to move to the folder where we have the web page we want to run. Write ls -l. This is a command that lists all the files in the directory, so you can see where you're and where you have to go. In my case I have the web page in a folder on my desktop, so I first write cd desktop. You can see in this folder here, where my index.html file is. In the terminal we go to this folder, using the cd command. Now that we are in the right folder, we run the web server. We write http-server space, and we add a dot which indicates that the server should run in this folder. Press enter. Copy the address and the port number. Open your browser and paste the address with the port number. There you have it, you are successfully running a web server on your Mac. I advise you to stop the server when you are done testing. To stop the server, just go back to the terminal and click the Ctrl and C key simultaneously. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends.